What is up everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today it's gonna be a random video of me and my friend driving around the city as the city is coming back to life from the pandemic lockdown. I am sure that you will be hearing a lot of honking in this video. Today I want to take this opportunity to thank two important persons who have helped me a lot in many ways. First person I want to thank is Mr. W.S. Khan. He was the one who created my YouTube logo. Thank you very much. I haven't met him in person, but he has helped me a lot in many ways. And I want to thank him for this particular logo and for all the help he has given. The second person I want to thank is Mr. Maya Angang. He was the one who created the channel intro, the logo with the burning fire. I want to thank you for that. These are the two persons I want to thank today because they created the logo and the intro for free, and I've been using them in all my videos. Thank you very much to both of you. And to the rest of you all who are watching this video, I hope you guys are safe, you guys are healthy, be safe, and have a nice day.